Please watch this and give to help others. Thank you. Hi everyone, we are the Cashflow team and we are
Leslie,
Dean,
Sarah,
and Trevor. Listen, we're here. Obviously, it's been a really sad day yesterday. Last night we all found out about a really good guy, Danny Butcher, sadly passed away. And we're devastated by it, aren't we?
Yes, so we've got together this morning and mainly spent most of the morning having a chat about this and to see where we can help. So as you guys know, we run a live webinar every Wednesday. We want to dedicate the 20th of November to Danny.
Yeah, we're gonna actually head it up. It's called The Truth. So this is going to be a session where we are going to talk about truth, about property, about probably education, about some real home truths. So we want a lot of people to tune in, tell your friends, and also we want to be able to help people understand the dangers of raising finance just to do your training. So taking on loans or being encouraged or even pressured to take on loans. So listen, we're already discussing what we're going to promote. So I'd love you to be on with us. So come and support us. We're also going to set up a Just Giving page, which...
Yeah, Sarah is setting that up today as we speak, just trying to do it. We've got a goal. We want to raise £10,000 for Danny's family, really. So we hope that you guys can contribute, but this is really, apart from raising awareness about this, and I do think that we're qualified to speak about it because we've been in that situation before. So we're going to speak from personal experiences, and most importantly, what debts are okay and what are not. You know, that we're going to be talking a lot about that. But I hope you guys can all join us, okay, in The Truth. Going
to talk a little bit about mindset and how we could go. But look, one of the things, all that money is going to go to Danny's family to help them in this time. Real sad time. He's got some children. He's only married a couple of months ago. So your support and asking other people, whether they're already seasoned property investors or if they're just getting into property and they want to learn a little bit, we're going to talk about the truth. Listen, be there. We're excited to see you.
Yes, we are. We really want to be to be honest, it's a sad topic. Well, we need to talk about it. Somebody needs to talk about it because it's not all easy and glitz and glamour and fast money, get rich quick. This is not what it's about. It's not what we're about. It's just really sad that somebody sort of close to our group this has happened to, and this is how we're going to address it. We're going to talk about from our personal experiences how we're going to tackle it. If you ever been in this position of, you know, where you're struggling with debt, or you are at the moment struggling with that, I want you to jump on board, because if you have dealt with it in the past, you should be sharing of how you've dealt with debt management and how that's affected you. So please share the word. We want everybody on so we can talk about this subject that's most often brushed under the carpet.
Absolutely. And look, you know, Danny was special to us. He was one of the best supporters that we had on our weekly webinars, and especially with me. When I was doing them on my own, he made me laugh so much. He talked about, he was sitting listening to me wearing a red dress. He was wearing a red dress, so he said, lipstick and little red shoes. And he used to send these little emojis every week, and we laughed and laughed. But he was a wonderful guy, a real gentleman, soft heart. He actually served in the military, so you and I can have our freedom today. So we want to give something back. So listen, please share this, put it around so we can help other people and maybe make a small difference that will avoid people getting into a difficult place.
Thank you. So we're checking out.
Thank you guys.
And we hope to have you on Wednesday the 20th of November.
At 8 p.m.
That's it.
8 p.m.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.